Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. I will show you in this tutorial a step by step with real demonstration how to find out or get it back your Gmail password in case you have lost your Gmail password. Someone who has hacked your Gmail password, hijacked your Gmail password, or due to old ID you have forgot your password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that you can easily rescue of your Gmail password. So what will be best options? We will see live. Here is a little bit exceptional case. This ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now is not in a position to especially reset his Gmail password, so he has recommended. We will see live, so don't skip ahead. Yes, every step is important for us, guys. So now see, we don't have a phone number, and after not providing substance information, it's saying so that if you would like to recover the answer is question, so and second is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, so then we have to send an email to the parents to change your password. We don't have, so we quit from here. Otherwise, via two options, if you would like to approach to our rescue, then of course you can go, because this page will open again and again, so like that. So now what we will do, just we will come in a Play Store, guys. In a Play Store, of course, we will have to have come in a Play Store. In a search bar, here you will have to write VIA, and of course we will go for here via browser first. It says costly 2 to 3 MB, guys, so quickly it will be installed. So on the other hand, let's say two changes is very crucial, especially we will come on here. So let me just we will click on this and hold this in G browser, guys. Of course we will have to hold it, and then of course we will come in here app info, then tap on a permission. Yes, make it sure it should be off notifications, and come in a permissions to, of course we will have to customize the locations to make it the precise location of, then it would be, and here don't allow anyway, just to tap on it. We'll have to back. Yes, here make sure that free of space and that should be disabled. So how can I, yes, remove the permission, the free of it's already disabled, so open by default. So we will come on here, and this open supported link that should be especially disable. Yes, you will have enable, guys, so to make it disable. Take any smartphone, apply similar strategy. Of course, it can harm the browser you are using and apply on everyone browser. Now we have a Chrome also, so just we will tap on this app info, and what will happen, so guys, here, yes, we will have to become notification. We will have to make it disable, so it's already fine. Yes, we will come the permissions to, of course we will navigate the locations, make the precise location off, and then click on here. Of course we will back here, and free of speech it's already closed, so everything we have done. So now say especially free of speech, especially everything I have done. So now can I open in this browser, of course. Now see, within a 5-minute more we will take, and of course automatically this ID would be recovered, and of course we will have to deliver to at the morning time, actually has the recommended. So now see here, what we will do, just we will have to type here, tap on Google's, and of course we will have other corners to other sign in, and when we're talking about the sign in, so then of course simply we will have to enter here this particular ID. Yes, and tap on it, and now see here what's going to happen. Yes, it is asking password, don't worry, guys. First options given, second option is especially this device may be locked with etc, especially, and third is that it is asking so that if you remember the last password, then of course you can rescue by that. Fourth option is this number is verified of the United States, you can see especially. So if you don't have the United States number along with especially, then you won't be able to find out especially or emails. No, don't worry. We will click on we will have to yes, provide right informations. Right information means now see, by providing 2-3 option more has been especially given. So the first is that answer as many questions as you can, by that of course it can be recovered. Second is that you use a device where you have the sign-in before. Via that also can be recovered. Or by virtue of, if your account is managed with the family link, so we have sent an email to the parents. Of course, this thing already mentioned to you. By that also Google will contact you. You will have to provide any alternative email. By that Google will send you especially a reset option or OTP to the reset of this password, but we don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. How can I process these things? Now here is more options, and there's more tips to the rescue of your account. So if this is a coming soon, surely your ID can be recovered. Don't click on here. Yes, just we had decided to confirm that yes, it's configured or not. We have the close directly and the phone. After closing, what we will do now, just we will have to tap on a setting to, of course we will have to come to Google service. Now we will use especially Google Assistant, and automatically this ID would be recovered. How it is possible? Is it? Yes, this can be. Don't worry guys, just we will click on a special help option, and when we tap on a help options, now here don't tap in any options, just we will have to write hacked Gmails. Yes, we would like to rescue of compromised email accounts. So here is especially secure hacked or compromised Google accounts. Of course we will tap on it. When we tap on it, and then this page will be open, and here is the options that review which devices you use or use your accounts. We don't want to know. Then we will come in especially review your account's activity, and here is that yes, if you still believe someone else is using, so then of course find out if your account has been hacked. Of course we would like to tap on it. Now this page would transfer to you here. Now see here, we would be in especially of course these tips that can rescue. Yes, now to make it sure that so two options will be here, that what if I still can't sign in the create a replacement to Google accounts, and second that's how are getting logged out of your similar accounts. If two options is coming and the third option is here at the corner, just we will have to tap out this. Directly would be in a transfers to the recovery phase. When we tap on here, and this area automatically will recommend to you to enter to the rescue and go for next, and see here what's going to have the results. Yes, it has recovered finally. So here don't make stupid things to click on a continue, otherwise would be trapped in it's verify your options and don't have the recovery phone. So how do you do that? So just we will tap on update, and when we go on update, then yes, we have a strong opportunity, golden opportunity to create the password, the confirm password, and save it. After saving, guys, we're going to Google account management in security or sign in, and sign in there. Of course, we can add an alternative email, and after adding an alternative email, easily we can remove the recovery phone number. That's why they added here. And if we add after removing the alternative phone number, then this side would be permanently secure. So for that we cannot show you. This is a privacy concern of my viewer who has actually approached me to the rescue of it from the United States. So this is all about in this tutorial right now, guys. But furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I had a query in the comments box. Please would remind us to reply your query. And hey guys, one thing more also, if you are unable to execute these things, and we have customized a few things that it's easy for me to rescue affairs, and then of course you can leave your email below the description box, sorry, in the comments box, and we will pick and thereupon you should have no any especially objections if I disclose your ID in the public domain on the channels. And then guys, yes, you can drop your email below the rescue it and the details. So thanks for staying till. Yes, this is the technology welfare. I will be back with more step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe these channels. It really supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.